we'll guide you through how to make heart pattern in Illustrator. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Start your Illustrator application on your PC. Go to the top bar menu, click File. From the drop-down menu, choose New to begin creating a fresh Illustrator document for your heart pattern tutorial project. Pick your preferred preset size carefully, then press Create to open a blank canvas for drawing your pattern smoothly. To start making the heart pattern, begin by creating a simple heart shape that will later repeat throughout evenly. Select the regular pen tool from the toolbar so you can begin drawing the base shape on screen properly now. Using the pen tool, draw a clean V-shaped line directly onto your canvas area with steady movement strokes. After drawing the line, move to the adjustment panel to refine the appearance and improve overall visual balance carefully. Adjust the stroke thickness until the line reaches the exact width you want for your heart pattern design project. Change the line color whenever needed so the design better matches your preferred style and creative direction today visually. Next, open the stroke panel and select the rounded option to soften the edges of the V shape nicely. Once the rounded setting is applied, the original V line will immediately begin resembling a complete heart shape clearly. Duplicate the completed heart shape repeatedly until you create enough copies to form a continuous pattern sequence successfully across. Adjust the size, color, and angle of every duplicated heart according to your own personal creative preferences carefully afterward. You can also create an asymmetric heart shape by experimenting with the curvature pen tool inside Illustrator instead creatively. Use any additional tools available within the toolbar whenever they help improve your design process or workflow efficiency further. Take enough time practicing different combinations of tools and settings to produce more unique heart shapes successfully today, independently. Continue experimenting patiently with placement and spacing so your repeated hearts create an attractive and organized visual arrangement overall. Repeat the duplication process again whenever necessary to expand the pattern and fill additional empty canvas areas properly afterward. Finally, continue adjusting every heart element carefully until the completed pattern appears balanced, polished, and visually satisfying overall everywhere.